Good morning, children. Welcome back to School at Home program. Today we'll start with the new topic, that is nation and diversity. What is nation? What is diversity? Do you know, children, what is nation? Diversity, difference. Okay. So here you can see the picture. Yes, Sage, the Muslim, they were together. They were playing cricket. Read the following extract from Wings of Fire, where the former president of India speaks of his childhood. So, who is speaking here? Former president. Who is he? APJ Abdul Kalam. So, it was an extract from Wings of Fire. Okay. That is my childhood. Whose childhood it is? APJ Abdul Kalam. I was born in a middle class Tamil family. Who was born in the middle class Tamil family? APJ Abdul Kalam was born into a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameshwaram. So where he was born? Rameshwaram. Where it is? It was erstwhile Madras state. My father Jainuluddin had neither much formal education nor much wealth. So my father nothing means who is your father? Jainuluddin. Jainuluddin had either much formal education nor much wealth. Despite these disadvantages, he possessed great innate wisdom. So father possessed APJ Abdul Kalam with innate wisdom and true generosity, that means kindness of spirit. Spirit nothing but strength and character. He had an ideal helpmate means soulmate, wife, name called as Ashiamma. Ashiamma is the mother of APJ Abdul Kalam. Jainuluddin is the father. I do not recall exact number of people she fed every day. She fed every day. Even they belongs to poor, but she used to fed every day. But I am quite certain that far more outsiders ate with us than all the members of our own family put together. So a number of travelers, those who are visiting Rameshwaram, she fed those people. And next is I was one of the children, that means a short boy with rather undistinguished looks, ugly looks. Whose looks are ugly? APJ Abdul Kalam looks were ugly. Born to tall, handsome parents were handsome. We lived in our ancestral old house. They lived in a old house which was built in the middle of 19th century. In which year it was built? In the 19th century it was built. It was a fairly large Pakka house. Pakka house it was. Fairly. Pakka and Kacha houses. Mud houses are Kacha houses. Pakka means granite or else which cannot melt in the water. Those are Pakka houses. Made of limestone. The Pakka house is made with the limestone and the brick. On the Mask Street in Rameshwaram. So where was the house? In the Mask Street in Rameshwaram. My Master father, that means my simple father, used to avoid all inessential comforts and luxuries. Essential things they used to get, inessential things they will avoid. However, all necessities were provided for in terms of food, medicine, clothes. In fact, I would say mine was a very secure childhood, both materially and emotionally. I would say mine was a very secure childhood. Very secure childhood, both materially and emotionally. Materially means not related to money. Emotionally means feeling sensitively. Okay. This is the one of the example here. Unity in diversity here. Here is the boy who is Muslim. The Second World War broke out in 1939 when I was 8 years old. When the APJ Abdul Kalam was 8 years old, the Second World War broke up. That is in which year? 1939. For reasons I have never been able to understand, a sudden demand for tamarind seeds. There was a sudden demand about the tamarind seeds erupted in the market. So it was erupted in the market. I used to collect the seeds and sell them to the provision shop, goods shop. He collected the tamarind seeds and what he did, he sold them into the provision shop on Mask Street. A day's collection would fetch me the princely sum of 1 anna. 1 anna, that means get. Fetch means get. 1 anna he used to earn per day. My brother-in-law Jalaluddin. So here APJ Abdul Kalam, brother name is, cousin name is, brother-in-law Jalaluddin, who tell me stories about the war which I would later try to trace in the headlines in the Dinamani. So he traced, Jalaluddin, he said about the Second World War, find signs of proofs in the headline in Dinamani. Our area being isolated nothing but past lonely. It was completely unaffected by the war, but soon India was forced to join the Allied force nothing but England and Russia. Something like a state of emergency unwillingly was declared. The first casualty came in the form of the suspension of the train halt at Rameshwaram station. So they said that a train should not stop in Rameshwaram station. The newspaper now had to be bundled and thrown out from the moving train on the Rameshwaram road between Rameshwaram and Dhanuskodi. So what happened? The train may not halt. So the running train will throw the bundles of papers between Rameshwaram and Dhanuskodi. That forced my cousin Samsuddin, who distributed newspapers in Rameshwaram, to look for a helping hand to catch the bundles. So Samsuddin, he said to catch the bundles, and he allotted the work to the APJ Abdul Kalam. As if naturally, I filled the slots. Slots means gaps. Samsuddin helped me earn my first wages. Yes. So he helped to earn the money. Who helped? Samyuddin. Half a century later, I can still feel the surge of pride in earning my own money for the first time. So I can still feel the surge of proudness, earning my own money for the first time. Every child is born with some inherited characteristics. Yes, it possessed with consecutive characteristics, special characters, into a specific socio-economic and emotional environment, and trained in certain ways by figures of authority. He inherited, APJ Abdul Kalam was inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father and even from his mother. I inherited faith in goodness. So he inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness. So did my 3 brothers and sisters. All, see, whatever the parents are doing, these children are also following the same thing. I had 3 close friends in my childhood. Who are those? Ramananda Sastri, Aravindan, Shiva Prakashan. All these boys were from Orthodox. They belongs to a particular religion, who have the beliefs. So tell me, who are those 3 members? Ramananda Sastri, Aravindan and Shiva Prakashan. All those belongs to Orthodox family. Okay, children, will continue rest of the part tomorrow.